Hi there, it's Bill. Welcome to another video. And recently IBM has released its own version of Python for ZOS. So let's take a look on how to get Python installed on your environment. Hey, so this is the page from IBM Open Enterprise Python for ZOS. I will let here the link on the description if you wanna go direct there to get your version. So from this page, you can take a look at all the sources that are available, documentation, the editions available for you to download. So let's take a look on this page and find out how to download the version that we are going to install here. Okay, let's take a look here, compare editions. And there are two different editions from Python, and we are going to install here the packs. That's the free edition that we can just go there, take a download, and do the installation. Here you fill out this form just to get the link for the download. Confirm the data, and then you get the link for this file, so the packs file for it to install. Here we have the documentation. The link will be also under the description. And so the hardware requirements for Python, you need to have at least the EC12, the machine, ZOS from version 2.3. So we are good here to get this on our environment. So I'm good with the requirements. So let me take a look on the configuration and see if I have the required configuration already in place, the variables and all the stuff that I need, the space. Just to let you know, if you were wondering how the packs install looks like and what we are going to do here. So the packs is like a package where you have all the folder, the structure all compressed, and you just have to unpack that and then tell the operating system, tell your environment how to find out all these files, all this structure. So this is basically what we are going to do here. Let me take the link here just to see if we have that. And there we go. So we just need to see if these links are in place. So I'm gonna do the SSH connection to my Alpar with my user ID and password here. And let's copy this command to check that the answers. So yeah, I have this configured, the link for these environment variables. As I'm good with that, let me go to the folder where I'm gonna upload the file and extract everything. So I will do that on my var director. So let me create here the director for Python. There we go. So here I have it. Let me jump here to my Zoe Explorer. Okay, so bringing the high-level qualifier, the filter that I'm using for my JCLs, for my data sets. And let me see if I have here a sample that I can use. So yeah, there is this job that I have used when I was installing the Python from the Rocket. So let me just take a look here. So I have already defined the Python. Yeah, so it's here. So let's go back now to my DSL and let me just edit that. So I already have Python from Rocket, so I just know here. So it's from Open Enterprise Python. Yeah, I'm not really creative for that. Yeah, this version is much smaller than the version from Rocket, so I will just cut that by, I don't know, by the half. So let me just add here just 1000. That should be enough. And let me see what else I can do here. There's this job. Yeah, I have to update here also. So it's Python. Yeah, I'll fix it. I don't need to create here. Yeah, this is the old directory, so let me just put the /var/python here. So note that when I'm editing here, I'm also editing the mount point, so that's cool. Yeah, so /var/python. So this is the folder I've just created there. Let's see, let's save that and see what else we can do. Yeah, I think we are good now. So let's take a look here. So the var, I have here all the directories we have there. Yeah, saving. Let's submit that and see what happens. So job submitted. Let's go there and check. I will click here. It brings me the output. So that completed fine. Yeah, I got 0. So okay, perfect. First attempt and we just got that. So if I go here on my Python director, I can leave. I have nothing inside yet. I haven't created. So let me display where it's mounted, and there we go. So they just created ZFS and that's mounted. That's good. That's good. Let's continue here. I used to forgot to update my parm so let me do that already. So when the system get IP out, when I have any maintenance, I can just have this mounted again, so I don't lose my reference and I don't lose this mount. So let me find here my parmlib and find my bpx. So user parmlib, there you go, and the bpx memory. So let me just go here. I would change this to get something more clean with some highlights so it's easier for me to read. Let me see here. I would just take this one from Python. That was the one from Rocket Python. So let me use that. Here it's already on the var. I will take this one. It will be easier. So let me update this mount point. So I'm mounting this file system. So here I will put the opython and var/python. Okay, let me just fix that. I don't want to break anything. Let me save. Okay, I think I'm good here. So when my system comes up, it is there. Okay, so let me just upload. I will do the SFTP to upload that file we have downloaded. So I'm using SFTP, my user ID and the address, I pass the password. I'm going to my director with the cd var python, and if I do that last, there is nothing. If I do the pwd, I have here my remote directory. I am the right place, so let me just use the put here. Perfect. So it's uploading. I will pause a bit and return in a moment. Okay, upload completed. I'm editing. Let's go back to the documentation to see the next steps. So here you have the command to unpack that. So here is the packs, the flags we are using. Let's just copy the name of the file and issue the command. So it will expand this file and allocate everything that we need. So if I just list here, I see now this directory user. So let me just look what we have inside. So we have this alpha what else? Let's continue checking. Where is our Python? Oh, I already issued the CD. So now let's go to this folder, IBM, CYP, there we go, and v3.8, v3 release 8. Okay, let me check, and okay, another two folders. What there is, what is inside? So no, it's not what I'm needing. Let me go back and check the other folder. Yeah, so probably here we have the bin director, the lib. So this is what I believe the documentation will point us. So let's take a look there. Let's see what else we have to do to finish this configuration. Yeah, so we need to export the variable. So this is how the system find all these folders we just expanded. So where is our binaries and our leaves? Also, there are some important variables there that we can't forget to define. So I will update here my etc and find this profile, so that will be available for everyone that access my environment. And this was the old setup for Python. So let's see what we can still keep here. I will comment all that, so I don't want to lose. If in the future I will just use that again, I can just uncomment that. Let's add that variables here for Open IBM Python, IBM Open Enterprise Python. So let me just add a title here to name the session. Let's see. So the first one, we need to export the path and the lib path. Copy it here. And on our terminal, I can just copy the path to here, to the bin and to the lib folders. It's updated. Perfect. So these two variables is here, so the system will be able to find where my binaries are. This is important because sometimes I saw people installing that and forgetting, so they just get some strange characters in other coding, in other encoding format, and there we go. So if we issue the Python version, we see Python installed, and that's it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, and this was just a quick tutorial on how you can get Python installed. Please let the comments here what else you would like to see in my channel. So if you want to see some getting some programs on Python here running on Z, anything else, any suggestions, and to the next video. Take care. Bye bye.